front of me is Black Shark Pad SE, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Notifications. Then choose App Notifications here. Hit Most Recent and decide if you want to see apps with most recent notifications, most frequent ones, or apps on your tablet or apps with notifications already off. Whatever you decided, when you're ready, use black switches next to your apps to block notifications from them, or grey ones to switch them back on. Quick tip: I always recommend to tap on a chosen app on the left, then switch off or turn on notifications here and check out other notification settings for chosen app. You can manage them. Oh, come on. Chrome will surely have some. You can manage them however you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe.